Here, exercise 12.2, question number 5. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter and subtended at angle of 60 degrees. First, we construct a circle. O is the center of the circle. AB is a chord. And central angle AOB, that is equal to 60 degree. And R is equal to 21 centimeter. R is equal to 21 centimeter. First, find the length of the arc. What is the formula of find the length of the arc? Find the length of the arc. First one. The length of the arc. Here R is equal to 21 centimeter. Theta is equal to 60 degree. And length of the arc of formula L is equal to pi r theta divided by 180. That is a arc AC, arc AB. Arc AB, that is a minor arc. Because the angle is less than 180 degree. Okay. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. R is equal to 21. Theta is equal to 60 divided by 180. Okay. 7 3 are 21. 63 is 180. 180 cancel. Therefore, length of the minor arc, that is equal to 22 centimeter. Okay. Find the area of the sector formed by the arc. आर्क से जो सेक्टर बनेगा उसका एरिया फाइंड करना है. मींस टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल, एरिया ऑफ द सेक्टर OACB, that is 1/2 LR, because we find the value of L. Area of a sector, that is equal to 1/2 LR. 1/2 LR means pi r square theta by 360 into pi r square. We also apply the value theta by 360 into pi r square. But here we find the value of L is equal to 22. Then we apply 1/2 LR. Okay. 1/2 LR, that is equal to 1/2. Length of the minor arc is 22 and R is equal to 21. 2 into 11 2s are 22. 11 into 21. That is equal to 231 centimeter square. That is the area of a sector. And last, third number. Area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. Area of the segment arc ACB and chord AB. That is a area of minor segment. Area of a minor segment. Area of the minor segment formula, that is equal to area of a sector, area of a sector minus area of triangle. Area of triangle. Area of sector, area of a sector means minor sector, that is equal to, already we find out the value 231 minus area of triangle 1/2 R square sine theta. And theta is equal to 60 degree. That is 231 minus 1/2 R square. R square means 21 square into sine 60. Theta is equal to 60. That is 231 minus 21 square 441 divide 2 into root 3 by 2. Sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. That is equal to 231 4 on root 3 divided by 4 centimeter square. That is the area of a, that is the area of the minor sector. Okay. Here, question number 6. A chord of a circle of a radius 15 centimeter subtended angle of 60 degree at the center. Construct a circle. O is the center of the circle and radius OA and AB. OAB is the chord corresponding to, and central angle is 60 degree. R is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, here R is 15 centimeter, theta is equal to 60 degree, and pi and root 3 value is already given. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major segment. Formula, first one. Area of a minor segment. Area of the minor segment, that formula is equal to area of a minor sector minus area of a triangle. A minor sector का part है, minor segment. R ACB plus chord AB. Area of a minor sector OACB minus area of triangle AOB. Area of a triangle AOB. What is the formula of area of minor sector? Theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle 1/2 r square sin theta. Theta is 60 divided by 360. Pi value is 3.14. 314 by 100. R is equal to 15. Multiply 15 minus 1/2 r square. 15 into 15 into sine 60 degree. Okay. 66 are 360. 2. 5. 5 3s are 15. 157. 157 by 100, that means 1.57 into 15 3s are 45 minus 15 into 15 225 divided by 2 into root 3 by 2. Okay, and root 3 value is 1.73. 45 7 ja 315 31 225 plus 31 256 25 45 plus 25 70 70.65 1.5657 into 45 225 divided by 2 into 1.73 root 3 value is 1.73 divided by 2 225 into 1.73 225 into 173 0 0 225 0 35 3 1 154 plus 3 157 5 3 are 15 1 67 5 12 1 19 1 8 3 389.25 divided by 4 2 2s are 4 divided by 389.25 divided by 4 70.65 minus divided by 4 9 3 9 9 4 are 36 2 4 7 are 28 1 3 1 2 5 97.3125 minus 70.65 minus 97. 1/2 r square sin theta divided by 4. Here theta by 360 6 15 3s are 45 157.45 corresponding minor sector 1/2 r square sin theta Here 5 3 जा 15 or 3 2 जा 6 2 157 into 2 that is equal to 314. That value is 15 5 ja 75 1.57 into 75. Okay, and its multiplication is 117.75. 117.75 minus 97.3125. Therefore, that is equal to 75. 4 minus 1, 3. 7 minus 3, 4. And 117 minus 97, that is 20.4375 centimeters square. That is the area of minor segment. Find the area of the major segment. Area of major segment, that is equal to area of a circle minus area of minor segment. Okay, area of a circle is pi r square minus area of minor segment, that is 20.4375. Okay, area of a circle pi r square 3.14 into 15 into 15 minus 20.4375. Area of a major segment means arc ADB, major arc plus 4. So 225 into 3.14. इसका multiplication 314 into 225. 3.14 into 225. 0 0 56 12 12560 or 1570. 0 13 1 17 1 9 or 13. 13 97 225 into 3 2253 3 sa 225 0 0 2 4 2 sa 8 6 to 8 6 to 8 80 or 1570. 0 15 1 16 1 9 plus 10 1 7. 706.50. Again we check it. 628 or 1570. 15 1 minus 20.4375 and its subtraction 0.225. 9 minus 3 6 0 or subtraction 6 minus 0 6 686.0625 centimeters square. That is the area of the major segment. Question number 7. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter. First we construct a circle. O is the center of the circle. Radius R is equal to 12 centimeter. And subtended at angle 120 degree at the center of the circle. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. And pi is equal to 3.14. Root 3 is equal to 1.73. Here central angle AOB theta is equal to 120 and radius is equal to 12 centimeter. Here R is equal to 12, theta is equal to 120. Find the area of the corresponding minor sector. Corresponding segment. Corresponding segment means if theta is less than 180, then find the value of area of minor segment. Okay. Therefore, area of minor segment is equal to area of minor sector OACB minus area of triangle AOB. That is a find the area of the shaded region. So area of minor segment formula, minor sector formula theta by 360 into pi r square minus 1/2 r square sine theta. Theta is equal to 120. Theta degree is 360 divided by 360. यहाँ पे एंगल 120 है तो फॉर्मूला हमारी क्या हो जाएगी आर स्क्वायर माइनस आर स्क्वायर साइन थीटा बाई 2 cos theta by 2 if angle is 120 into pi 3.14 into r square 12 into 12 minus r square 12 into 12 sine 120 by 2 cos 120 by 2. Okay, 12 3 जा 36, 3 4 जा 12, 12 4 जा 48, 3.14 into 48, 12 into 12 144, sin 60 120 by 2, sin 60 value is root 3 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, 2 2 जा 4, 36 4 जा 144. Okay, 48 into 3.14, 314 into 48, 0 1256 2512 270115. Okay, so 150.72, 150.72 and 36 minus 36 into 1.73 because root 3 value is 1.73 is given. Okay, and 1.73 into 36, 0 9 5 1 8 1 103. Okay, 8 2 1 2 6, that is 62.28. 150.72 minus 62.28 and its subtraction 72 minus 28 that is equal to 42. Okay, and 150 minus 62, 10 minus 2 8, 14 minus 6 8, that is 88.42, sorry 44. 72 minus 28 44, 38, 38 plus 50 88.44 centimeter square, 36 root 3 0 9 51 1038 12 1 2 6. That is the final answer, 88.44. Okay. In this figure, the length of the circle, the length of a square is 15 meter, and the central angle is 90 degree. That is the center of the sector, and the length of the rope is 5 meter. Horse can find the area. Find the area of a sector the horse can graze. Okay. What is the length of the rope? Length of the rope, that is equal to r. Here r is equal to 5 meter. Theta, central angle theta is equal to 90 degree because ABCD is a square. एंगल नहीं दिया है पर स्क्वायर है तो एंगल क्या होगा 90 डिग्री. फाइंड द हॉर्स कैन ग्रेज द एरिया. हॉर्स कितने एरिया में ग्रेजिंग कर सकता है? इतने एरिया में. APOQ. Therefore, area of the minor sector. Find the area of minor sector. That is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is equal to 90, 360. Pi is equal to 3.14 is already given. R is equal to 5 into 5. 94 is 360. 2 2 is 4, 1.57. 1.57 into 25 divided by 2. First we multiply by 1.57 multiply 25. 25 7 ja 175. 17 is 25 5 25 into 15, 375. 375 plus 17, 392. 39.25 divided by 2, 19.625 centimeter square, meter square. Then horse can graze area is 19.625 meter square. Okay. And second one, if the length of the rope is 10 meter, then increase the area. अब ये इतना एरिया हमारे लिए इंक्रीज हुआ, तो ओरिजिनल एरिया जो 10 मीटर का लेंथ का एरिया है उसमें से 5 मीटर के लेंथ का एरिया क्या करना पड़ेगा, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो इफ देन फाइंड द एरिया इंक्रीज. सेकंड वन, increase area of a sector. Increase area of a sector means area of a minor sector, new minor sector. Area of new minor sector minus area of a sector. That means area of a new minor sector, its radius is 10 meter. And R is equal to capital R is equal to 10 meter. Okay. Pi theta by 360 into pi r square minus theta by 360 into small pi r square. Which term is common? Theta by 360 into pi is common. R square minus R square means R minus R, R plus R. So theta is equal to 90 degree. 90 by 360 into 3.14. R plus R minus R, 10 minus 5, and R plus R, 10 plus 5. 94 ja 360, 3.14 by 4, that is 1.57 by 2 into 5 into 15. 15 5 ja 75. 175 divided by 2. So 175 divided by 1.57. 0 0 175 0. 25 2. 85 plus 2 87. 7 5 ja 35 3 1 2 2. 5 7. 5 plus 2 7 plus 7 14 1. 16 plus 1 17. 274.75. 274.75 divided by 2, that is equal to 137.375 centimeters square. That is area can increase. Increase area of the sector. 0 0 175 0 15 25 85 plus 2 87. 7 5 ja 35 3 19 17 7 ja 119 119 plus 3 122 5 7 7 plus 7 7 plus 2 9 plus 5 14 1 18 18 plus 9 27 27 27 94 ja 360. 10 minus 5 15 5 ja 75. 157 into 75 0 49 4 1 4 105 plus 4 109. 35 3 75 plus 3 78. 5 71 17 1 117.75 divided by 2, that is 58.875 centimeter square. Okay. Here there are 10 equal parts of the circle, and there are 5 diameter, 1 diameter, 2 diameter, 3, 4 and 5 diametrical parts. There are 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here length of the diameter is 35 millimeter. Find the total wire, total silver wire used in a circle. ओके, ये सर्कल, ये ब्रॉच बनाने में कितना सिल्वर वायर यूज हुआ है वो हमें फाइंड करना है. तो हियर थीटा इज इक्वल टू, थीटा इज नॉट गिवन, टोटल एंगल इज, complete angle is 360, and how many equal parts? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 10 equal parts divided by 10. Therefore theta is equal to 36. यहाँ थीटा फाइंड करना मेन है. और साथ में फर्स्ट क्या है? लेंथ ऑफ द ब्रॉच, लेंथ ऑफ ए ब्रॉच, ब्रॉच की लेंथ क्या होगी? टोटल लेंथ, दैट इज इक्वल टू 5 इंटू डायामीटर प्लस सरकमफरेंस ऑफ ए सर्कल. 5 डायमेट्रिकल है वायर्स प्लस सरकमफरेंस ऑफ ए सर्कल, circumference of a circle. If here diameter is 35, radius r is equal to 35 by 2 millimeter. Okay, so 5 into d, 5 into 35. If diameter is given in the question, therefore circumference of circle formula pi into d, that is 175 plus 22 by 7 into 35. 7 5 are 35. 175, 22 5 are 110, and that is length of, total length of the wire is 285 millimeter. And find the area of the each sector. That angle is 36 degree. We have to find. Therefore, area of a each sector. That means area of a minor sector. Therefore, area of a minor sector. Area of minor sector. That is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is equal to 36 by 360, 22 by 7 into diameter is, radius is 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. Because diameter is 35, radius is half of the diameter. 360 by 10, 2 11s are, okay, 11s are. 7 5s are, 5 2s are 10. Okay, so numerator is 11 into 35 divided by 2 2s are 4. That is 385 by 4, and that is 96.25 millimeter square. That is the area of the each brooch, area of the each sector, 96.25 millimeter square.